If you check yourself deep enough and you're truthful to yourself, you would realize that what you want is not love. That thing that you desire and chase after so badly, it's not love. You think it is love, but it is just the feeling of being chosen. I don't know where you picked it up from, but you have come to believe a lie that to be wanted is to be worthy. If someone desires you, then maybe you matter. Being desired makes you feel valuable. But what if I told you that your worth was never meant to be proven to anybody? I want more women to understand that their worth is not tied to being wanted, being desired, or being fancied by a man. Because there are so many women out here that believe that they are not valuable because men don't desire them or men don't chase them. You keep feeling like you are not enough until he picks you. Your value depends on being chosen by a man. That is where you get it wrong. You think because he's emotionally unavailable and he's that guy that is very difficult to please. So being the girl that is able to please him, being able to make him choose you feels like some kind of achievement for you. It feels like a badge of honor that you carry. I remember talking to this guy one time that just kept going on and on about how girls take. He had the mindset that girls they don't give men, that they only collect, basically like women are gold diggers and all of that, all those kind of men that believe that women don't bring anything to the table. And he stated it clearly that he was not ready to be in a serious relationship with anybody because he believes that all girls are the same. And honestly, at that time I really liked this guy, so even when he made it clear that it would be very difficult to push through to get to him, instead of me to quietly walk away, I took it upon myself. I saw it as a mission to try to prove to him that I'm different. I'm not like the other girl. So anytime this guy offered me anything, I would say no. I was rejecting everything that he wanted to do for me or give to me because I wanted to prove to him that no, I'm not a gold digger like the other girls. The funny thing is that we are not even in a relationship at that time. We are just getting to know each other. I think this was just like a week or two into getting to know each other. And I was already trying to go above and beyond for this guy. I remember that time his birthday was coming up and I was stressing myself. I was thinking of how to do this big thing for him for his birthday so he would know that, yes, this girl is different. Me wanting to do these things for this guy is not because I just wanted to love on him, which naturally that is what love will do. That is what love will make you do. When you love somebody, you give to this person, you pour your love on them, right? But in that particular situation, I was not planning to do these things because I loved him. All I wanted to do was to try to prove a point to him. I wanted him to pick me so I would feel worthy. I wanted to be that girl that changed his perspective about women. Looking back at that situation, what I wanted was not his love. What I wanted was his validation. I wanted his approval. And thank God for Sakpa. Thank God, because then I was in school and I was broke as hell. So imagine if I had money at that time, I would have spent my money, all my money, on top somebody's son's head because I was trying to prove something to this guy, trying to earn love from this guy, trying to give love to somebody that did not even ask for it. I was trying so hard to be picked, to be chosen by this guy. And what even made everything more annoying is that I did not grow up, I was not raised in an environment where I had to earn love or prove myself to be treated right. So I don't even know where I learned that nonsense from. Because the truth is, if you find yourself constantly trying to perform or do the most just to be chosen, you see that it does not just start from romantic relationships. A lot of times it goes way back. Maybe as a child, you had to perform to earn your parents' love, or you were raised in a family where love and attention came with conditions. You grew up in a system that rewards performance. So as you get older, you carry on with that mindset and you carry it into all your relationships, including romantic relationships. So you say you're looking for love, but what you really want is validation. So when a guy that is emotionally unavailable comes into your life, instead of you to send him away, you take it as a challenge. You think that the harder the guy is to get, the more valuable and worthy you will feel when he finally chooses you. You derive joy from knowing that, he finally sees me. That is why you accept the barest minimum, the emotional unavailable one, the one that has nonchalant attitude, the emotionally distant one, because somewhere in your head you believe that love has to be chaotic, love has to be earned, you have to struggle for it. But the truth is, that is not what love is. That is not what real love looks like. Real love is soft, it is safe, it is secure. Real love is not going to make you constantly question your worth. And honestly, this is the reason why some people reject healthy love when they see it or when they experience it, because they feel like it is boring. It looks strange to them because what they are used to is drama and chaos. So you push away soft love, you reject soft love, you reject that kind of love that does not ask you to perform or prove yourself to earn it because it looks suspicious to you. I've seen cases where some girls will say, this guy is just so soft. Like everything is just going so easy and smooth with this guy. Because of that, they feel like there's something wrong with this person. There's something off. I just cannot put my finger on it, but I know that there's something. There's nothing wrong, my dear. You have just been used to chaos. You have just been used to stress and struggle love that you cannot see. You cannot know soft love when you see it. You are so used to chaos that when you see calm, calm looks fake to you. So instead of you to choose soft love, you are choosing the avoidant guy, the one that does not choose anyone, the one that makes love very difficult, because in your head you feel like, if this difficult guy can finally pick me, that means I will finally be good enough. I will feel worthy. We've all seen it before. Cases where a guy does not care about a girl. You can see it. He's showing you that he does not send you. This guy not send you. But it is that situation you will throw yourself inside. You will put yourself there. Say, do or die affair for you. You must be there. You start thinking and calculating, maybe if I start doing things that other girls are not doing for him, maybe he will finally see me and choose me. So let's be for real. It's not love that you want. It's not love that you're chasing. You want to feel special. You want to be the one that changed him. You want to wear that badge of honor. I'm the girl that got you to him when no other girl could. God, my love, you are wrong. That is just you tying your worth to someone who does not even know how to love properly. That is you just setting yourself up for disaster, because let us agree that he finally picks you. How long are you going to keep performing for? Are you going to keep proving yourself to him over and over and over again forever? Baby girl, change that mindset. Love is not something that you have to earn like a prize. Stop auditioning for love. All that energy that you've been using to perform, to impress, to chase, put it all back into yourself. And when you do that, you will stop feeling the need to be impressive all the time. You will begin to choose peace over chaos, because you are no longer desperate for love to save you. So even when they decide to go, even when they say, no, you are too much, they want to leave, you don't chase them. You let them go, because you have come to realize that their exit from your life does not make you less worthy. It just means that they are not your person. Your worth, your value isn't based on how often you are wanted. It's not based on how much you have to struggle to earn it. You deserve love simply because you exist, not because of what you have to do to earn it. And when your mindset starts shifting, you would realize that you're not the one that has to sit and wait to be picked, wait to be chosen. You are the one that does the choosing. You choose who gets your time. You choose who gets your energy. You choose who gets your softness. You choose who gets to stay and who gets to go. My love, the power of choice is in your hands. Use it very well. If anybody has to even do the work of earning love, it shouldn't be you. Are you kidding me? Because even the Bible said it. He who finds a wife, he should be the one doing the work of finding you, not you performing so hard, doing the most to be picked by him. You need to stop believing that you need to struggle for you to get loved on. You need to stop believing that love comes with struggle and pain. And if you are still trying to figure out how to shift your mindset, how to stop craving male validation, male approval, and all of that, I have a video on this channel where I shared really simple, helpful tips that will be beneficial to you. So I will leave a link to that video in the description box, so check that out. Remember always that you are valuable, you are beautiful, you are worthy, you're enough, and it is not dependent on anything at all. This is all I have for you in today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.